What's up, Tech Nation? Jack Scalfani here on Tech Time. I'm in the car because my son's inside getting his haircut. It's raining outside, so I figured we'd have a little conversation because there's a lot of things going on in the tech world I need to talk about. Today's topic is going to be the Apple Homepod. The Apple Homepod. That's right. You know, the thing that was supposed to be out in December 2017 in time for the holidays, and it got postponed. First of all, what was the other product that was 3 years too late? Oh yeah, Microsoft cell phones. Microsoft was 3 years too late to the game. Amazon's been doing about 3 years with Alexa. Google's been about, I believe, 2 years. Apple, you were way late to the game. The first problem is you're asking too much money, $349. If you want it in stereo, you got to get another one. The second thing is Siri is horrible. Anytime I ask Siri a question, it brings up web results. Siri, I want you to talk to me. If you ask Google a question, that lady says, "Oh, here's your answer." I don't want web results. Google gives me web results when I type in Google. The second reason is you don't play well with others. You don't get to get a speaker at top dollar and not allow me to play any music source I want. You only work with Apple Music. Nowhere does it say you work with Spotify. At least Google plays well with others. If I'm paying $400 for their Google Max, I can play Spotify, I can play Google Play, I can do the iPhone, the iTunes music, I can do whatever I want. But not you, Apple. You want everybody to play in your world. Well, that didn't work well with Sony Beta Max. Remember that? So don't do that. Don't overprice yourself. Don't be 3 years late to the game. I guess all this really doesn't matter because that's what they're doing. So, do I recommend getting the HomePod? No, I'm not getting it. I'm not reviewing it. I don't care how beautiful it sounds. I'm telling you right now, Apple, you're way late to the game. You should have had a speaker out a year ago. So good luck coming in late to the game. Talk to Microsoft and ask what happened to their phones. And I wish you the best. In the meantime, Google's getting my business. Amazon Alexa's getting my business. Either one of those companies, because they're doing it right. So that's my thoughts on the HomePod from Apple that went on sale Friday for pre-orders and will be available February 9th. I'd love to know your guys' thoughts, and I'll talk to you on the next Tech Time.